Okay, so let's discuss the Holi first. Why is Holi celebrated by the Hindus? So we have a story to share with you. So it is believed by the Hindus that there is a story behind it, and this is some of the illustrations of that story that there was uh, Hiranyakashipu was an evil king. He had special powers that made him nearly invincible. Invincible means one who cannot be conquered, one who cannot be defeated. And he wanted everyone in his kingdom to worship him. So basically, he was very rude and he was unkind, but he wanted everyone in his surroundings to worship him. But what happened next? He was very powerful and he started to act like God and punished or killed anyone who disobeyed him. So you can see his cruelty that whosoever annoyed him, he either punished him so hard or ultimately killed him. What happened then? Haryankashipu had a son called Prahlad. Okay, so Prahlad disobeyed his father, his own son, disobeyed him and worshipped Vishnu instead of him. So his father planned to kill him even. So he was so cruel that even when his own son disobeyed him and instead of worshipping his father, he worshipped the Vishnu god, then even he did not leave his own son out of his cruelty. Okay, then the king asked his sister. His sister's name was Holika to kill to help kill Prahlad, right? Holika had a special cloak that would protect her from fire. So he had such a power. Holika had such a power that used to protect him from fire. So she planned to trick Prahalad by taking him into a fire. Let's see what happens. But because she was using her powers for evil, the plan failed and the cloak flew from Holika and covered Prahlad. Alright. So whatsoever power was given to Holika, so she was using it for evil means, evil acts. So that clock that flew away and was put into the body of this Prahlad, the son of that cruel king. Then today Hindus light bonfires on Holi to represent the triumph of good over evil, the victory of good over evil. Therefore, this bonfire is lit. So, this is a little story behind this celebration of Holi. If anybody knows anything else regarding Holi, please unmute your mic and share your thoughts. Yes, who is going to share first? Laksh. Laksh, unmute your mic and share why Holi is celebrated. Gee, any other? See, if you don't participate, I will not conduct your class. It is interactive class. Everyone has to participate. If you feel any issue, you can write down in the chat. I will read it and try to solve the issues. Gee, you are writing only yes sir in the chat. What are you doing? Gee, Baba. No one has done homework. Come on, share.
Sir, as Holi was good over evil, so it's also known as the festival of love and festival of colors because it was a good over evil and the good defeated the evil.
Right. Anybody else? Astha, Chahat, what do you know about Holi? Recently, you have celebrated this.
Sir, may I tell, please?
Yes, yes.
Sir, after the Holika was burned in the fire, that evil god was also killed by a good god, which was came out from like a kind of a kind of like a wall that was came from them, and he killed that evil god, and he मतलब उसने मतलब सारे सारे जो वहां के थे उनको बचा लिया था उस इविल गॉड से.
So he saved all, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the role of colors? Because
So the role of colors is to show the happiness,
right.
I think.
Anybody else? Okay, means do we cook any special dishes on Holi? Are there the festivities, sweets, or anything else? Something special on Holi? No? Yes? Alright, how about other festivals? Like then there is Deepavali or Diwali. It is Deepavali or Diwali? What are you doing? Are you sleeping all? Yes? Sugandh,
जी sir.
how about Diwali?
Sir, wait, I'm just telling you.
Hurry up, Baba. Okay, when Holi is celebrated, Holi marks the arrival of spring and the end of winter. It is usually celebrated in March, as you celebrated last month. So it was the end of winter or the beginning of or the arrival of spring. Fine. How Holi is celebrated? It is written that on the first night of Holi, people light bonfires and throw roasting grains, popcorn, coconut, and chickpeas onto them. So on the first night, the bonfire is lit and some grains are thrown into that bonfire. The next day, people of all ages go into the streets for fun and paint throwing. Everyone gets involved. So paint throwing, you know, acts happen by everyone. They throw multicolors to each other, either dry colors or the watercolors are there, and I believe white color cloths are put on. However, it is not necessary. Okay, Hindus have fun by smearing each other with paint and throwing colored water. What do the holy colors mean? Some people believe the holy colors came from Krishna mischievously throwing colored water over his milkmaids when he was a boy. This developed into the practical jokes and games of Holi. So, are there any uh, jokes or games, special games in Holi? Yes.
No, sir.
Okay. Only paint throwing.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's talk about Diwali. Sugandh was sharing something, but I don't know where has she gone.
Yeah, Nana, sir, I'm here. Can I share now?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir, Diwali is the festival of lights. Sir, we celebrate this to honor Ramchandra, the seventh avatar. Sir, it is said that in that day, the Ram is people returned to their country after 14 years of exile. So, which and when he fought and won the battle against the demons, the demon king Ravana, so we people start celebrating and the happiness of it, so we celebrate Diwali.
So, what happens in Diwali usually? How Diwali is celebrated?
Sir, we just celebrate and with the crackers and all that.
Mhm. What do you do? Anybody else? Only Sugandh is responding. Don't you celebrate Holi or Diwali? Rest of the class? Ji Baba.
Diwali.
Tell me about Diwali. Okay, let's look at this. What is Diwali?
Grandma,
Hi, sweetheart.
come in. I'll take your bags.
Are you excited for Diwali?
Yeah, Diwali is the best. I love the fireworks.
Me too. Do you know why we celebrate Diwali?
It's the festival of lights and marks the start of the Hindu New Year.
Good. And when do we celebrate it?
It lasts 5 days, around October or November.
And do you remember the story of Prince Rama and Princess Sita?
Yeah, Sita was kidnapped by the demon king Ravana, so Rama had to rescue her with help from Hanuman, the monkey king. There was a fierce battle, but Rama finally defeated Ravana and saved Sita.
Then what happened?
Villagers from their hometown lit lamps to help them find their way home. Diwali means row of lights.
That's right. We also pray to Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and good fortune. We light lamps so that she will visit our homes and bring us good fortune.
And that's why we make rangoli patterns out of colourful powder or petals.
It is. I'm very impressed.
Thanks, Grandma.
In India, the streets will be full of people said,
Are you getting? Anybody, yes or no?
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
are
yes,
getting.
sir.
Okay.
celebrating with drumming and dancing and of course fireworks.
Grandma, look.
What we have come to know that the word Diwali means the row of lighted lamps. Diwali is known as the festival of lights because houses, shops, and public places are decorated with small oil lamps called diyas. And what we have come to know either that when Diwali is celebrated, Diwali is always falls sometime between October or and November, but the exact date varies each year as the holy calendar is based on the moon. So the holy, sorry, Diwali, it is celebrated on the pattern of moon days, not this Georgian calendar, right? And in 2021, Diwali is on Thursday, 4th November. So this time, this year, Diwali will be celebrated on 4th November. Okay. So there is another story. Let's read this. Long ago, there was a great warrior prince called Rama. He was married to a beautiful princess called Sita. An evil king called Ravana lived near them. He had 10 heads. My God. And stop doing this, please. Remove this all. Hurry up. I'm going to end the class. Remove this all. Hurry up. An evil king called Ravana lived near the head, and he had 10 heads and 20 arms. All right. Walaikum salam. जी टेक्स्ट क्यों हमको? All right. So Ravana wanted to make Sita his wife, so he kidnapped her and flew off with her in his uh, chariot. Rama realized that Sita had been kidnapped, so he tried to look for her. He met the monkey god Hanuman in the forest. Hanuman agreed to look for Sita. He eventually found her imprisoned on the island of Lanka in a beautiful garden. Right? That is now a country which is called Sri Lanka. So Hanuman gathered all his monkey army and they prepared to battle Ravana. Okay, Rama and Hanuman began to battle Ravana, but it was huge battle and it seemed like Ravana would win. However, Rama produced a magical golden arrow and fired it at Ravana. It hit him in the chest. Okay, with Ravana defeated, Rama and Sita were reunited. Rama and Sita returned home at night time. They found that all of evil villages, all of the villages had lit lamps to guide them home. This is why Hindus lit lamps on Diwali. So have you got it? Ji, have you got it?
Yes, sir.
See, I'm going to make some MCQs for you in order to evaluate whatsoever we have learned today. So I will share that sheet maybe on Google Classroom that you have to attempt. Uh, in this way, we will come to know that either you have got understanding of Holi and Diwali, the Hindu festivals, or not. Let me assign you the homework for our next class. So in our next class, we will discuss the Christian festivals and especially Christmas. What is Christmas, why Christmas is celebrated, and when Christmas is celebrated. So this is going to be your assignment. So in our next class, that would be on next Friday, probably. So we will meet again, but everybody should prepare. And you are
Sir,
not just.
please add me, sir, in ethics group.
But okay, if you just share your WhatsApp number with me, I will add you. Fine.
Okay, sir.
So you are not just attending the class to listening to the lecture. You should have something prepared to share even. So Holi and Diwali, these are the common festivals which are celebrated by the Hindus, but you know very little about it. Only Sugandh shared a few thoughts, very little thoughts. So what I suggest, either we continue it next week, or we will either I would suggest that we will have a recap of this Holi and Diwali next Friday, and then we will discuss uh, the Christian festivals, especially the Christmas. All right. So any question, anything you don't understand, please share or write down in chat, or please do share your feedback on my WhatsApp number. If we can further improve this class, online class, right? And do share your suggestions also. So your class time is almost over. So now we will meet on next Friday. Okay.
Mehfooz Mare,
All
Mehfooz
right.
Mares.
Take
Last,
care.
last,
Take
last बंद हो
care.
गया.
And one thing I want to suggest you that Keep inside, keep yourself safe, and keep yourself protected because COVID-19 is spreading like wildfire. You should take it very seriously and ask your parents, ask your people who are around that they should wear masks and they should protect themselves. All right? Okay.
Nakul.
सर
शुक्रिया
गूगल
सर
क्लासरूम
नकुल
का कोड देना सर
Okay.
चैट
Take
में
care.
सर
All right. All right. I am sharing. Okay.
नकुल नकुल